Hi, my name is Heather Kelly. I am a dental hygienist with TePe Oral Hygiene Products. I am here to introduce you to the TePe products and how to use them. The TePe Supreme toothbrush is an innovative toothbrush with bristles in 2 levels. This design enables more efficient cleaning further in between the teeth and along the gum line with the longer bristles. It has a tapered brush head so you can easily reach the back teeth. It has an easy grip handle with a thumb pad. The toothbrush neck can be angled without heating. Using the Supreme brush is similar to all manual toothbrush instructions. Place your toothbrush bristles towards your gums at a 45-degree angle so that the bristles sweep along the gum line, and then slowly move it around your mouth in small incremental back and forth motions. Due to the tapered multi-level layers of bristles, you will likely feel the bristles slightly extending under your gum line. Look in the mirror to assure that you place the brush properly. You can do a sweeping motion on the side of each tooth or small circles, but remember to focus where the tooth meets the gums, because this is where harmful bacteria that causes dental disease resides. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our products. Please visit our website for more information.